can't see a damn thing.
No, it's not.
Holy crap, look how high that thing is. You need to own a piece of property to fly this thing.
Large piece.
Right? Jesus, look at that. I can't tell if it's upside down, straight side up. It's amazing. The kid's like 7 years old.
I don't know how he sees it to
Right?
correct the angle. Yeah.
See how thin that is? It's crazy. Like when it's hovering and it's pointing, what do you think? He just kills it.